Hello friends, so welcome to the LinkedIn series. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your personal LinkedIn profile into a creator's mode. So you must have seen in some LinkedIn profile that rather than open to section, here appears a follow section. So if you are the one who posts regularly on LinkedIn, then you must on your creator mode to get to the masses. So let's scroll it down. When you scroll a bit, you'll get your creator mode. So for now, I have off my creator mode. So let's go on it. Next, you can add your topics related to which you're gonna add your post. So I'm gonna say Delhi self-help, student life, college students. Okay, so these are the 5 to 4 topics I'm gonna add here. So I'm gonna turn it on. Now my creator mode is on, so I don't want to post it abhi kuch bhi, so I'll just so yeah, now creator mode is on. So this was all for this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.